Yeah, let's go to the maintenance operations. ISDN maintenance configurations, you can see on the ISDN page. Go to the, display the ISDN link status. Um, Link up indicates it's connected. Yeah, link down, it indicates that it is disconnected. Then set the duration of the bit error rate, then click start. So usually the units could be in seconds. You can set that to hours or to days. Yeah, and see the progress. You can also stop anytime also, or you can also cancel. Then you can set the click start to enable the loopback function of the remote device. So you can simply click that one. Then you can also see the status of the ISDN-B and the D channel status. So generally, when you click green indicates that, you can also set to black, right? Black, choose a specific channel, then it will turn to red. And if it turn to gray, yeah, I think it's not used, right? So it's a 16, and if I think if you choose query, so the channel will be refreshed, right? It will be refreshed, right? And restarting, it means to restart all the channels. So select the selected channel. So just simply clicking that. So again, I think another status there is yellow. It means yellow is that the call from IP. I think the call from IP to ISDN is prohibited, or it's not allowed. So that's the color. So after that, you can click to save. Yeah, so this one is with regards to the log management when there are some issues. So we really want you to give, to help you in troubleshooting. So once you have the details with the issue, the call scenario, also provide us the call log with issue. So generally there are I think up to 8 levels, but you can technically use up to 6 levels here. For level 1 system information, with regards to level 3, that is DSP, and with regards to a normal call issue, so DSP 4 or the log level 4 is enough. And if you want more information with the with regards to the call, so log level 5 should suffice for that one. And with regards to RTP issues or call quality, voice quality, we need to give us the log level 6. With regards to register information, we need you to provide log level 8. So with regards to RTP issues, of course, we need to gather more of the IP capture for that. So you need to download the logs here. Of course, before you make a call, you need to clear the logs in the call message. And after that, make a call, then download the log here. So with regards to the configuration maintenance tools here, you can also export and import the data. So this is very helpful with regards to the deployment. Some of the customers, they just simply play with our device, and the administrator, one day he's having a problem. Why this one is not functioning? When in fact, few hours ago, it's already working. So doing so, or maybe he, he can also import the exported data here. So you can do export, then import the configuration file. Then with regards to the upgrade, so we release our upgrades, general availability firmware versions on our website. So you can also download from that and do an offline upgrade. Yeah, this is for, there are some problems that require data capture. So we ask you to provide the IP capture. Go to tools, IP capture, then click start to capture the start the procedure. Then make a test call, then send us the click stop and send us the download file. Yeah, this is the reboot button for maintenance purposes. Say for example that the abnormal on the LED indicators for the status LED and the alarm. So you can try to reboot first, try to see if it will help also the status of the LED indicators. Then this is the device information. You can click this one, click the information, and it will show you the model, the number of interfaces you have. So this one is indicates the software version. This one indicates the hardware version and the kernel version, and of course the firmware version. This is version 191. And we have here also the DSP version on your device. Okay, so let's proceed to some of the troubleshooting techniques. So I think in the future we can also set aside with another one for regards to troubleshooting, but this one is just overview of the basic troubleshooting with regards to the call process. So ISDN basic call process starts with setup, then the call proceeding from go set to the calling side, then alerting, connect, then connect AC key, then of course you have the disconnect, release, and the release complete messages. So this is in accordance with the Q3931 protocol. So here, if we have the log level 4, so this is the format. Usually we download that. It refers to the transmitted and received. This is the date. So again, the system time is very important because that is very necessary for the log debugging purposes. It will show us to see the correct time. And of course, yeah, this is that transmitted received. Then this is the ISDN interface one, node sending, the node receiving, and of course the message ID. So the first one is the setup, and the reference call reference ID. Usually this is the length message length, right? So here, let us try to see the ISDN message ID and the hexadecimal value. So here, this is the message setup, and it can be verified by the the setup message that starts with a call. So here 05, that is a hexadecimal value for setup. So if this is 07, it means that is refers to connect. Otherwise, it shows 45 here. That is for the disconnect message. And how to see the calling and the called party number. So yeah, this is the hex value. 8 number after the 6C. So usually that's the first digit of the caller ID. So another indicator is after the second three numbers, right? The 3 numbers. So anyway, 6C, that refers to the calling party number. Then this is the hex value 70. So the 6 number after that goes to the first called party number. So here, 6C, the calling party number is 861779999. Oh, and on the code party, it is 13915 626716. Okay, so how to determine the ISDN B channel that is used? So generally, it is the last 2 hexadecimal digits. So here you can see is 85. So convert this to decimal. So 85 minus 80, this is the fixed number, 80, to convert that to decimal. So 85 minus 80, that is equals to 5. Okay. Say for example, it's 9C. So 9C minus 80, that's 1C. So that is equivalent to 28. So that refers to the B channel number 28 for on the screen that I showed you a while ago. Then how to see the caller ID category. So usually that's the third number after the 6 here, the calling number, the caller ID category. So 6C, after that, the third number, you can see here 4. Usually that is refers to the subscriber line, no? So it is 0, it's unknown, 1 international. So usually if user define category standard, so they can also start with 1 to 9 as a subscriber, 00 for international, and 0 for national. Then how to check with the call reference ID? So every call should have a unique identifier, right? So this is the call reference ID. So here, this is the call reference ID of this specific call, that is 032A. So the transmit and the receive and call reference ID. So here, so setup, it sends a transmit. So set up message with the telco switch, then it responds with a call proceeding message. So this will indicates that the network is processing the call. So here, TX is 032, then just add 8. So that is the RX reference ID, right? So same, it is a 32A. So that just add 8 to the most significant byte. So that is refers to the receive for the call proceeding message. Okay, so here we have several ISDN codes. Say for example, we have the disconnect message codes here. So we need to know what's the reason, right? That's some of the issues that we encounter with regards to disconnect codes. So here is 9F. So we receive this code and we can check the caller ID type. Usually we need to 9F minus 80. So that is 1F. So we have a standard to that. And it shows like this on, yeah. So as you can see, that is codes is 31. That is a normal, right? Normal or unspecified SIM. So these are the corresponding codes, and here it will have a reason and for to see the reason very well. So say for example, it's 21. It's call rejected, and with regards to the 97 postcode number, so its message type is non-existing or not implemented. Or some information element, also there's some of the issue is we have the hex EO value. It means that there's some information element is missing. So we can address that, and of course you can address this to the server as well. Okay, so yeah, I think that's all for today, guys. And I know pretty sure that there are some questions, and I will try to my best to answer them. And again, I encourage you to continue testing with our device, and feel free to ask questions or send emails to our team here. You can send to GS URAC, or you can communicate us with the Skype URAC GS account. Yeah. So let me see if there are some questions in the message.
So, dear partner, if you have any question, please free to ask here, or you can type in the message group. And also, after the training, we will share the presentation for you.
Yeah, our next schedule will be on next week, Tuesday. That is about our OM1000. Yeah, our big brother for the OM IP-PBX. So I hope you can attend next week, guys. And looking forward to that.
Yeah. So if you any
I have
question?
one question over here. For the past two trainings, like how are you going to dispute?
Yeah, Hannah will be going to distribute that. We have the, yeah, we already sent, yeah, right, Hannah?
Yes,
Where
yes.
do you send? Where do you send?
Maybe you can leave your contact information here. I will send you by email.
Oh, you will send one by one.
Oh, yes, we send one by one. Yeah.
Okay. I give you my email.
Okay, if anyone didn't receive the presentation, you can send the message to me or share in the message group, and I will share the previous and also today's presentation to you.
Mhm. Can you send all those since the day one?
Okay, sure. Okay, I get you. Okay.
All right. Okay. Thank you.
Okay, I get that. Okay, I will share you the presentation. Okay. Okay, got you. Okay. Welcome. So hopefully see you guys in next Tuesday. We will have the training for the largest IP-PBX OM1000 and see you. And thank you, Ramel.
Thank you, Hannah. Thank you, everyone. See you
Thank
next
you.
time.
Bye. See you next
Bye. Have a nice weekend, guys.
Bye bye.
Bye.